In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms, 5 minutes. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. From there, look to the top left and click the New button. In the menu that appears, hover over or select Google Forms. You'll see options to start with a blank form, create a quiz, or browse templates. Templates are great if you want a quick head start, and the quiz option enables automatic grading. For this walkthrough, choose the blank form so we can build from scratch. Once the form opens, give it a clear title at the top. Naming your form helps it stay organized in Drive and also becomes the default file name. You can add a short description underneath to explain the purpose or provide instructions to respondents. Keeping this concise and friendly sets expectations and reduces confusion. Now add your first question. Click where it says Untitled Question and type your prompt. To the right of the question, open the short answer drop-down to pick the best question type, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down, paragraph, date, or time. Select the type that matches the kind of responses you want to collect. If the question is mandatory, toggle required so respondents can't submit without answering. To add more questions, use the plus icon on the floating toolbar. Repeat the process, switching question types as needed to keep your form easy to complete. When you're ready to review responses, switch to the Responses tab. Here you'll see an overview of answers and can explore summaries and individual submissions. You can also pause accepting responses if you only want to collect data for a limited time, and connect your form to a spreadsheet to analyze results in more detail later. Next, head to Settings. This is where you control important options such as who can respond, whether respondents can edit after submitting, and how confirmation messages appear. Take a moment to scan through these choices so your form behaves exactly the way you expect. For a polished look, open Customize Theme using the palette icon. Add a header image to match your brand or topic, choose a color scheme that improves readability, and pick a font style that feels professional and accessible. A clean design helps people complete the form without distraction. When everything looks good, click Publish to finalize and share. You'll get a link you can send out or post where your audience will see it. Google Forms works beautifully for surveys, collecting data, and creating quizzes. With these steps, you're ready to build, share, and start gathering insights in minutes.